Hey guys, my name is Kim Lapin from Kim Lapin Interiors. Welcome to my home tour. Inside my personal home, you will see lots of beautiful statement marble. You'll see statement lighting. So it's very organic, it's very fun. I'm so happy you guys are here and I'm so excited to show you around. Come on in. I always believe that the entryway should be kind of a statement. So we did really beautiful travertine flooring in here and I checkerboarded them to make them feel a little more timeless. My favorite part about the entryway is this beautiful white oak staircase because it's architectural and it has these beautiful lines, and I feel like it really just gives my design ethos right when you walk in because all of these elements come together in such a cool and natural way. So this is my formal living room and it is my favorite room of the house. We have an amazing Onyx Moralda, that's the name of it, bench from wall to wall and this beautiful architectural fireplace. We also did beautiful sconce lighting on the walls to give that natural glow. Another big design element of this room is this amazing chandelier. I love how it looks different from different vantage points. So if you're standing here, it has one design, and if you're standing at the entryway, it has another design. Obviously, the furniture is a huge part of design, and we did these beautiful marble tables that I actually found the base separately and the top separately and combined them. So it's those little touches of figuring out how to creatively put your furniture together to create a space that feels all your own. So part of my design ethos is how I like to use stone and use it as a statement material in all of my projects. And this Calacatta Rosa is no exception. I love how the pinks and the lavenders stand out so much that the rest of the kitchen could be simple and clean. I love the millwork. We did hardwareless because I just wanted it to be simple. And of course, my lighting and these Alabaster trimless little orbs are just so fun and they make the kitchen feel really special. This is our family room where we like to hang out and chill, and it's just really a very cozy, fun, but practical family space, which is why I love it. So joining us in this space are my two dogs, Cookie and Chloe. They're Vizslas. I designed the whole house around Cookie and Chloe because, as you can see, they're very tonal and they are very much in my colorway. I love terracottas and I love seafoams and I love wood. This space is very calming and soothing to me, but my bedroom is my zen zone and I would love to show you guys. For my bedroom, I really wanted it to feel like a spa, and I wanted this room to feel a little more grounded, slightly more masculine, and balanced. So we did this beautiful stone plaster on the walls that has a cement vibe to it, and we have this stone bench from wall to wall, and it's marble, so it has this hardness to it, but I feel like it balances the soft tones and the hard tones in the room to kind of create this balance between masculine and feminine. And you really see that duality in the bathroom, especially above the tub where we have the beautiful Murano glass chandelier that's pink and delicate, and then below it you have the travertine-clad tub, but the two of them together create this beautiful duality and balance. And that's it for my home tour. Thanks so much for stopping by. I'll see you on the next one.
If you thought this place was impressive, just wait. We've got so much more to show you. Like and subscribe and you'll see more gorgeous places almost every day.